Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add files to media library on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the site, blog, products, community, email, audience and sales. And in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile and your messages. But now, guys, let's see how actually you can go and add files to media library on Podia. So click on products in the left-hand menu. So as you can see here in the top side of the screen, you have the products. Go there and choose the product to which you want to add files to. So you have to go to all products, and here you'll have your products if you, of course, have them. I don't have them at the moment, but be sure when you have one, it will be here. Then click on add a file under the file section. Select the files you want to add from your device. You can add files in various formats, including PDFs, videos, audio files, and images. Add a description for each file you upload and click save to add the files to your product. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.